Today, I'm going to be unboxing the FitHub IMBODY AI Home Gym. I noticed there isn't very many independent reviews on this machine. I'm going to be sharing my initial impressions. No sponsorship, just honest review or impression. I'm John. Welcome. On this channel, you mainly find off-road adventures, fabrication projects, racing, and just everyday life. I believe that motorsports and fitness go hand in hand, and that's one of the major reasons why I pulled the trigger on this FitHub machine is because I don't have a gym membership and I want to work out from home every day so I can participate in motorsports as long as possible. And so I pulled the trigger on the AI home gym because I want to improve my strength, I want to improve my cardio, and it just came with everything I needed so I can continue doing that at my house. And so that's one of the major reasons why I pulled the trigger on this is to improve my fitness, because fitness and motorsports really do go hand in hand. All right, so number one competitor is going to be Tunnel, and they require a subscription if you want to use their services, no rowing machine. Speediance does offer a rowing machine, but if you want to use their AI services, requires a subscription. Ike came a close second. I almost bought this machine. The S1 Pro is not available to the public, but it doesn't require a subscription. Now, I really wanted a rowing machine because I used to row back in college at Humboldt State University, and that's mainly the big reason why I bought the FitHub. No subscription, and it came with a rowing machine. Overall, my buying experience was really good. They were very responsive, answered all my questions. I say the only hiccup I had was they told me it was going to take 2 weeks after my purchase, and then they said it was going to take 6 to 8 weeks. So overall, it ended up taking about 3.5 weeks for it to arrive. And honestly, that was my biggest frustration. I mean, they are like 20 minutes from my house and they wouldn't allow local pickup. But eventually, 3.5 weeks later, it finally showed up to the front of my house. Packaging, there was a little bit of damage on the corner of the package, but it didn't affect the machine. No damage to the machine so far, knock on wood. Nothing has appeared damaged. Big shout out to my neighbor Brian for helping me get it in my living room. My goodness, this thing is a two-man job for sure. Okay, I found the switch. It's in plain view. It's on the very top. So if you're looking at it, it's gonna be like if this was a car, this would be passenger side, directly behind where it else. Damn, pretty cool. Now the most satisfying part, it's like any new device, like a new phone. Oh, right here. Nice. So far, these don't want to retract for whatever reason. I was trying to do my assessment and free workouts and it just doesn't want to retract. That's weird. Okay, I guess when in doubt, restart it because the arms retract. That was weird. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough on rowing. So right now, my rowing machine, that's the cool thing is you can stand it up for storage. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out of storage, drop it into the rowing mode, and I'll walk you through on the rowing exercise. All right, so I am gonna show you how I use the rowing machine. What you do is you hit cardio games, and then it's just gonna be me. So single mode, we're gonna do 200 meters just so I don't bore you. And then you just make sure you hit the rowing chair since I have that option. So we're gonna jump in, and what I like to do is I like to start with just arms. So let's go. I'm just gonna do arms. And I'm gonna do arms for 100 meters. So right now we're actually, we're gonna do it for 50 meters and then arms and back. And then once I hit 100 meters, I'm going to do a full. And I always like these little side quests they have that me do. It's kind of fun. Makes you want to push a little bit harder. A little side quest there. That's kind of fun. All right, so now we're at 100 meters. I'm going to go ahead and do a full. Now the trick is you don't want to hit your knees. So you want to make sure you recoil quickly. We're almost at 200. Yeah, and I just really like this. This is like, I like the little side quest game it had there, and yeah, I'm feeling it. It feels good to. It's a fun. I mean, it's a legit workout game for sure. I really so far I'm really digging this. This is a little out of breath. I'm a little out of shape, but we're gonna fix that. All right, so I noticed the video, or when I was video editing, I'm like, I'm already at 7 minutes. I'm gonna make this a 10-minute video. So we just finished the rowing game. We're gonna hit return, and this is really cool. It's like a giant phone. I mean, the screen's very responsive. You got courses, you got custom workouts, cardio games where I just showed you a rowing. And then meditation. Meditation is kind of cool. I mean, it has like the little like universal. It's got like a fireplace. So I mean, this is in my living room. So I mean, I could just play this and just relax. Okay, let me show you courses because that's what I've been using. The other day I was like, you know what? I want to work on legs. Legs. Here you go, legs. Depending on like, hey, I only got 15 minutes. I did a 15-minute workout once and I was sweating. I was like, oh, let me do 15 minutes before I go hang out with someone. Just keep in mind, you're gonna sweat. It's like a legit workout for sure. And yeah, the screen's very responsive. Yeah. And it has you do like these stretches before you get into it, which is really cool. I like that. And so you can step away and do your stretch. You don't have to be on this mat if you want to. I mean, you can, but you can step back. That's what I typically do. So I have all this room to start warming up. And then there's a nice little stretching here. Starting to crack a little. Got my microphone hooked up so you guys can listen to me while I'm facing away from the camera. Okay, so I see what's next, so just make sure your machine's ready for it. It's got to be half. So you got the buttons on the side, just make sure it's ready. I'm like, okay. So his right foot is right here. And I want to say his left foot's in the center. And you just kind of replicate what he's doing. So let's go ahead and replicate what he's doing. You know what? Turn on the weight. Turn on weight, and we'll do 25 pounds. Oh yeah, and like yeah, you can feel it, man. I don't feel like that's 25, but I feel like it's a lot bigger than 25. The only problem is I can't see behind me. Well, I can see a mirror in my living room, so I can try to. You're supposed to follow the grooves. Yeah, that's a quick workout there. And that wraps up my unboxing and initial impression of the FitHub AI Home Gym. Now, the big question is, will this machine make me stronger over time? I don't know yet. But in the next few weeks, months, I'll be telling you my wins and setbacks. So I'll tell you, is it worth an investment? I'll say so. Does it fall short? I'll say that too. Because I'm not sponsored. I'm not PR trained. I bought this with my own money, and I'll let you know. That being said, I started my own Facebook community page. If you guys already have one, I would love to swap workouts, tips, progress. So if you're thinking about getting one, or you already have one, I'll link to the description below on the Facebook group I've started. And make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. God bless.